The Supreme Court has slammed the Gujarat government decision to prematurely release 11 convicts, men convicted for gang rape and murder in the Bilkis Bano case. It's a big win for Bilkis Bano, who has now been fighting for nearly 2 decades. Joining us to talk about the ramifications of this judgment is her lawyer, Shobha Gupta. Many congratulations. It's a win not just for you, but I think for women all across India. What are your first thoughts, Shobha Gupta?
My first thought is, I would want to say congratulations to all. That's victory for all, to the society rather. I said earlier also, society has to stand for Bilkis. Why she has to fight all alone all the time. So it's victory for all who fought for it, who felt that that was an injustice done, and today, it's victory for justice also. Justice prevailed.
Yes, absolutely. Now, I have a technical question. The Supreme Court has said that Gujarat government was not competent to take this decision. Maharashtra government would have been the competent authority, and it has given 2 weeks of time for these convicts to surrender. One, are you hopeful that they will surrender? Because our platform Mojo Story did an investigation where our reporters found, and this is in 2022, that many of these convicts were missing from their homes. Are you confident that they will now submit before law?
I'm more than sure they would do it, because when they were given remission, even that they had the condition, they had to appear before the, they would have to report the police station. In the remission policy, these are the basic conditions. So how could that be that their remission continued and they were not appearing before the police, or they were not reporting to the local police? I'm assuming they must be, and this particular issue was raised during the course of arguments also.
So you are hopeful that they will now surrender?
It was filed by all the accused, all the convicts. Their lawyers were appearing in Supreme Court. They fought till the last date of the order, till the when the arguments were going on. It was being represented by their lawyers. Lawyers certainly were not being appearing because the people were not available. I have no reason not to believe that they all are available. They have filed their affidavit Supreme Court before closing of arguments. This that we are reporting, and we are complying with the condition of remission to report fortnightly to the local police.
Okay, you're right. In fact, one of their lawyers has taken an undertaking on one of our shows that if there was an adverse judgment, the men would surrender. So let's hope that happens. However,
they filed affidavits during course of arguments when this specific issue was raised.
Okay. Now, is there still a window for the Maharashtra, if they were to appeal to the Maharashtra government, can they still remain outside of jail?
Not really for remission. Like this judgment also, when the Honorable Judge was pronouncing the judgment, they have specifically pointed out, even to apply for remission, you have to be in. So, if they want to apply for remission, they have to be behind bars first. The direction is clear. They may apply to the state of Maharashtra, because the state of Maharashtra, now court has clarified, is the only appropriate government. And Maharashtra policy for remission is very tough. In fact, gang rape convicts are excluded also.
Yes, that is, of course, the latest remission policy of 2014. Now, my last question to you. You had to take a very tough decision. Bilkis Bano appeared in court herself, right, in the last few hearings. I remember that moment. And this is a lady who has, since a very young age, just been fighting for justice. Have you had a chance to speak to her or her husband, Yaqub? What are their first sentiments that you would like to convey on their behalf to every Indian?
Immediately after pronouncement, the first thing it is to call her on a video call.
Oh, nice.
Like she made a call, and we had a word. I had a word with Yaqub. I had a word with Bilkis. She cried, and I got emotional too. But yes, she was very elated, very happy. She said, "I can't believe this was a long battle, tough battle, so many rounds, but I'm very happy that justice prevailed."
And I'm hoping that
Very,
this
very
time,
happy.
and I'm hoping that this time when Bilkis cried, there were tears of relief.
There were tears of relief, the tears of great sigh of relief, and the confirmation that the faith which was reaffirmed. You always had a faith in judiciary, but that was reaffirmed.
Well, Shobha Gupta,
Very.
I think people must also thank you for fighting the good fight, and thank you for conveying that Bilkis is well relieved, and her faith in India's justice system today has been reaffirmed once again. It had happened once before, and it has been reaffirmed once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Shobha.
Reaffirmation of the for who believe that there is system around them and they can have a free and secured life and constitutional right to be exercised and enjoy that.